The residents of the material world, who enjoy the products of these flowing rivers, have no wrinkles on their bodies and no gray hair. They never feel fatigue, and perspiration does not give their bodies a bad odor. They are not afflicted by old age, disease, or untimely death. They do not suffer from chilly cold or scorching heat, nor do their bodies lose their luster. They all live very happily, without anxieties, until death. There are other mountains beautifully arranged around the foot of Mount Meru, like the filaments around the whorl of a lotus flower. Their names are Kuranga, Kurara, Kusumba, Vaikanka, Trikuta, Shishira, Patanga, Ruchika, Nishida, Sinivasa, Kapila, Shanka, Vaidurya, Jarudi, Hamsa, Rishabha, Naga, Kalanjara, and Narada. On the eastern side of Sumeru mountain are two mountains named Jatara and Devakuta, which extend to the north and south for 18,000 yojanas, or 144,000 miles. Similarly, on the western side of Sumeru are two mountains named Pavana and Pariyatra, which also extend north and south for the same distance. On the southern side of Sumeru are two mountains named Kailasa and Karavira, which extend east and west for 18,000 yojanas, and on the northern side of Sumeru, extending for the same distance east and west, are two mountains named Trishringa and Makara. The width and height of all these mountains is 2,000 yojanas, or 16,000 miles. Sumeru, a mountain of solid gold shining as brilliantly as fire, is surrounded by these 8 mountains. In the middle of the summit of Meru is the township of Lord Brahma. Each of its 4 sides is calculated to extend for 10 million yojanas, or 80 million miles. It is made entirely of gold, and therefore learned scholars and sages call it Shatakombi. Surrounding Brahmapuri in all directions are the residences of the 8 principal governors of the planetary systems, beginning with King Indra. These abodes are similar to Brahmapuri, but are 1/4 the size. Thus ends the 16th chapter of the 5th canto of the Shrimad Bhagavatam, entitled A Description of Jambudvip.